Next. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
What's your name again?
Deborah.
Okay. I can see in your CV, you said you can speak fluent Afrikaans.
Yes.
Okay. I want to ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a table called in Afrikaans?
A table.
Yes.
You see, meneer is gezet.
Oh.
Is
Okay.
is getafiel.
Tafiel. Okay. Second question. What is tree called in Afrikaans?
Tree.
Yes.
Is a plant.
Oh.
Is water. Is boom. Gereen. Die. Tree. Tree. Tree.
In Afrikaans?
Afrikaans. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
I know Afrikaans very well.
Oh, I can see.
Es geleer.
Oh, serious?
Yes. Es gebaie.
One more question. What is dog called in Afrikaans?
Dog.
Yes.
Es hou. Es hou.
Oh.
Hou. Ja.
Okay.
Het gedog.
Okay. The fourth question. What is car called in Afrikaans?
Ka.
Yes.
Es ka.
Car?
Ka.
Car. Okay. The
Meneer-
other question?
Meneer Afrikaans, ek.
Serious?
Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
What is rain called in Afrikaans?
Rien. Is gereen, is gister. Is waa. Is is
Okay.
gereen. Is gereen.
The last question. What is laptop called in Afrikaans?
Is laptop. Is laptop.
Is a laptop?
Es laptop, es TV. TV.
Huh? Serious?
Yes.
Aye, man.